Hello, everyone. My name is Moon. And today, I want to tell you a small, funny story about learning English through my uncle. My uncle is a very energetic man. Even though he is a father of 2 children, he still says, age is just a number. Honestly, sometimes I feel like he is younger than me. One day, he decided to go to the market to buy toys for his kids. He wore his favorite jacket, looked in the mirror, fixed his hair, and said proudly, "Let's go shopping." Now here's the interesting part. My uncle has been trying to improve his English. He watches English movies, listens to English songs, and even practices speaking in front of the mirror. But when he actually has to speak English in real life, things become a little dramatic. So he went to a toy shop in the market. The shopkeeper greeted him in English and said, "Hello, sir, how can I help you?" My uncle smiled confidently and replied, "Yes, I am here to purchasing the toys for my children's." The shopkeeper blinked. My uncle continued bravely, "They are very enjoyment boys." The shopkeeper tried not to laugh. He politely corrected him, "You mean they are very energetic boys?" My uncle quickly said, Yes, exactly that word, energetic." Now, while choosing toys for his kids, something magical happened. He saw a remote-controlled car. It was shiny, fast, and colorful. He picked it up, he tested it, he smiled, and suddenly he forgot that he was a father. He whispered, "This is very fantastic piece of technology." The shopkeeper said gently, "This is a fantastic piece of technology." My uncle nodded seriously and said, "Yes, my English is under construction." Finally, he bought 2 dolls for his daughter, 1 robot for his son, and that remote-controlled car. When he reached home, his kids were excited, but when they saw the car, they asked, "Dad, who is this for?" My uncle cleared his throat and said proudly, "This is for educational purpose." I asked him, "Educational purpose? Really?" He smiled and said, "Yes, I am learning English. I need practical examples. I will say, 'This car runs fast. This car is amazing. This car is mine.'" And then he started playing with it more than his kids. That day, I learned something important. Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. It's about trying, making mistakes, laughing at yourself, and continuing anyway. My uncle may say my English is under construction, but you know what? So is everyone's. And just like that toy car, if you keep practicing, you will move forward. Maybe slowly at first, but definitely forward. So don't be afraid to speak. Make mistakes, laugh, learn. And who knows, maybe one day you will go to the market to buy something for someone else and come back with confidence for yourself. Thank you for listening.